Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device and launching the browser. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you have a free home screen slot. This avoids moving apps later. Open Chrome on Android or Safari on iPhone and navigate to Google. Sign in if you prefer a personalized shortcut that preserves preferences. Once done, pause on the Google page and locate the browser menu icon. This is the control that creates the home screen shortcut. On Android, tap the three-dot menu, choose Add to Home Screen, edit the name if you like, and tap Add or drag the icon to a spot. On iPhone, tap the share icon square with arrow, choose Add to Home Screen, edit the label, then tap Add. You can position the new icon anywhere on your home screens or dock. Make sure to test by tapping the new icon. It should open Google directly in your chosen browser and preserve the name you entered. Finish by arranging the icon where you want it and optionally grouping it into a folder. If tapping the shortcut opens the wrong browser, change your default browser in System Settings or recreate the shortcut using the desired app. If the shortcut doesn't appear, clear the browser cache, reload Google. And repeat the Add to Home Screen steps, sometimes permissions or a full cache block creation. If problems persist, restart the device, then try again. That fixes most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.